Scan him its phone number?
Unplugged it for a while and plugged it back in, and it stopped beeping, but it never cooled back down, so he unplugged it for a while to see if it would help.
When I came in to open, it was 80 degrees in there, and it was just beeping obnoxiously.
Okay, so that's the third time it's been turned back on then since it started a couple days ago.
I've never seen that. It has a self-cleaning condenser. It's got a brush on it that turns.
What?
What? That's pretty fancy.
I've never noticed that.
Dang. This is the coolest shit ever. Turbo air, self-cleaning condenser. It's broken. You got this cable here that snapped, but still. So this is the control board and a turbo air. I definitely see what HVAC ice cream guy was talking about when he said this was what the Blue Air people are copying. Yeah, he's right. I definitely see that. Yeah, you were right, man. This is the first time I've seen a turbo air system. Yeah, you nailed it, bro. So anyway, I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna stare at this for a little while. So I turned the power on and this relay clicked. I think, ooh, did you see that? I didn't see where it came from. Look back at the footage and it came from under that relay. One of the pins on the relay. I think we found our problem. There she is, right there. That's our problem. That solder joint. So now we're looking at a new board when all it needs is a dab of solder. That's a friggin' shame.
What? You can just... Yeah, make sure it's not...
And that's that. That solder joint's fixed. And I reflowed this little thing because I wanted to. You hear that? Compressor's running. She's cooling. Check this out. Blue Air wasn't able to copy this properly either. One-handed, no problem. Even though I messed up and got it caught in the lock.